I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank account to the Stripe app is straightforward, but it can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Stripe app. Launch the Stripe app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a GIF symbol. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Bank Accounts. In the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Bank Accounts. This is where you can manage your financial information. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Tap on the Add Bank Account button. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including the account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the Save button to finalize the addition of your bank account. If you accidentally enter the wrong routing number, it can delay your transaction, so double check everything before saving. I hope this helps you get your bank account added to Stripe smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.